Yeah, I know. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You guys are all welcome. You guys are all welcome.
God bless you.
Oh, no, I don't want your God blessings. Take it back. Take it back.
1728, just for my safety. And what is your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Fennelly. 2554 is my badge number.
I appreciate it.
What's your name?
I've already occupied multiple city services.
You would like to go back over there
I've already
and
multiplied.
illegally.
While standing up for your rights is important, how we handle conflict matters just as much. In tense moments like these, staying calm and respectful can turn a heated argument into a peaceful resolution. Remember, it's not just about proving a point, but also about how we communicate it.
What's your name?
So if you're refusing to take my money, then I don't owe nothing to the courts.
Don't give me an attitude.
Oh, I'm
There's
paying
a
my
sign
fine.
right there.
I'm paying
What's your
my
name?
fine here. It doesn't say that you don't take
What's your
this
name?
amount of money right here. It says
your
we
name?
accept cash. This is cash.
What's your name?
So I'm going to start paying. Here's
What's your
$5.
name for it?
Listen to what's going on.
Last name?
Ignorantly listen to me on. So I'm in here trying to pay my speeding ticket, and she's refusing to take my money. It says we accept cash. It does not give an amount. So I'm trying to pay my fine now.
Why is she not accepting your money?
I don't know. You ask her. This is legit American money, is it not?
Okay.
Okay, I'm here to pay it.
All right. Well, why are you getting all worked up?
Oh, no. Why are you guys getting worked up? She's not accepting my money.
I'm calm.
Okay, well, she's not accepting my money.
Why?
So
Should
I don't know.
explain
Ask
why?
her. You tell her. It doesn't say they don't accept $1 bills. Guess what? I'm paying in ones. And I'm doing it $5 at a time. I need a receipt for each $5.
Why you gotta be ignorant about it?
I'm paying my fine, ain't I?
Why you gotta be ignorant?
I have the right to pay however much I want to pay. And if this is how I want to pay it, I'm going to pay it. Thank you. So are they going to accept my money or are they not going to accept my money? Like, what's going on? I'll pay $5 at a time, and I will make sure that I have $10. I need a receipt for each $5.
Oh, no, we're not doing that.
Yeah, I do.
No,
I do.
we're going to make one receipt. We're not
No,
wasting paper on
no, we're paying $5 at a time. I have the right to film. This is a public building. It is a government facility. My First Amendment right protects me on this.
Okay, let's get the rest of the money in here.
No, ma'am. I'm paying $5 at a time.
What's your name?
Why?
I'm just asking. What's your name?
It's Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
Okay, Aaron. Listen, you were speeding, right? Is that why you're here for?
There was a medical emergency in the vehicle at the time, and your judge wanted to overtalk me. Disrespectful. So
Okay.
I can come in here and pay as much as I want, however much I want, at a time. It is not illegal to do what I'm doing.
Listen,
When it becomes law,
you
tell
have
me
all the
law.
money to pay in full. You said that, right?
Okay, yep.
You can pay all the money.
And
in
I'm
full.
paying it $5 each, and I want a receipt for each $5 that I'm paying for.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Your payment plan was $10.
Is this all you're putting on there? $5?
Right now I am, yes. And when I get a receipt, then I'll put another $5.
Your payment plan was $10, right?
Yeah. So it
$10
doesn't.
at a time, not 5.
It's $10 a month. That's
$10
what
a
it is.
month?
Right. So as long as I make $10 a month, it doesn't matter.
All right, so you have two options. Pay your $10 and leave. Come back next month and pay another 10.
No.
Pay in full.
No.
Okay, because you have the money. Pay it in full.
No.
Or you're gonna get cited for disorderly conduct.
There's no disorderly conduct here.
This is disorderly conduct.
This is not disorderly
Yes, it is.
conduct. This is my First Amendment right that's protecting me to record you guys, and I have the right to be in here to pay my fine. I'm not disorderly conducting no one. I'm not disturbing nobody. I'm in here trying to pay my fine at $5 a piece.
No, you can pay your fine. Okay, that's fine. You can pay the $10, which is part of your payment plan. But if you're gonna sit
Your
here-
guys' go-to is the disorderly conduct. I
That's
noticed
what
that.
you're doing.
No, that's your guys' go-to to arrest people on is disorderly conduct. We're going to charge you with disorderly conduct so we can arrest you and take you to jail.
I'm not gonna.
I know this. I know how this goes.
Disorderly conduct. You're not gonna go to jail. You're not gonna
You
go to
think
jail.
I'm blinded by what the law is? There's no disorderly conduct right
This
here.
is disorderly conduct.
No, okay.
You're causing a
Under
public
what?
nuisance. You're causing a public
Okay.
disturbance.
If I'm public, okay, I'll be real quiet about it. I'd like to pay $5 a piece.
You're disturbing them.
How am I disturbing? I'm not disturbing
Okay,
them.
you're yelling at them. You're screaming in a public building right here.
Oh no, I
Okay,
just
you're disturbing her.
yeah. I'm pretty sure. Am I disturbing you?
She's not going to get involved.
Of course she's not going to get involved.
You are.
No, you're trying to bring her in.
No.
This is ridiculous.
I'm just telling you.
Well, you know.
That those are your options.
Well, I hope you have a fun time if you do charge me with disorderly conduct, because I will take it to trial.
That's fine. You
Because
have all
I
these
have
witnesses here.
And I have the witness right here.
That's fine.
There's not. I'm not breaking no law.
All right.
She's not accepting my money, which is all right here. And
She will
which is down
accept the
there.
money in one payment.
No, I
or
can
she will
pay.
accept the $10, and then you can come back at a later time.
Well, then I'll pay the $5 now, get the receipt, and then I'll
Pay
leave.
the 10
and
now.
I'll come.
Pay the 10 now.
I'll come. No.
For this month's
You
payment.
can't force me to pay 10. He said I could pay $10 a month. So now I don't have the money. I have to put some of this money in my gas tank now to come back. So I'll come back in about 2 weeks, and I'll pay $5 more.
You see, they need $10.
$10, and then you can leave.
No, that's not what the judge ordered. He said $10 a month,
Yeah,
and I can only afford this right now.
You need 10. You need to add 5 more to that.
Yeah, I'm not adding 5 more to that.
Well, then you'll have to come back when you can put $10 on it.
Well, I can't put $10 on it. I think this is ridiculous. You guys are being, so if I leave here, you guys are by law telling me that I don't owe you guys no money is what's going to happen. You guys are rejecting my American money, which is right here. No, that means I do not owe you guys nothing. My debt is paid in full. And if you guys think that you guys are going to suspend my license, I want you to know I'm going to make it very clear that I will sue you guys over this. Because you guys are not taking my money, which is right there. Legal tender, U.S. tender. This officer is threatening to arrest me under disorderly conduct. He said disorderly conduct, so I need to leave here since you guys are threatening me under the threat of arrest on disorderly conduct for trying to pay my bill right here. Oh yeah, it's going to be on YouTube. You better believe that. You best believe that. You think it's not going to be on YouTube. So. Oh, it definitely will. This is why the law enforcement sucks. This is why nobody likes you guys. This is why the riots are inciting out there. This is why people do not care about the police, because you guys don't care about us. Ask George Floyd what he thought. Oh, you guys didn't care about George Floyd, did you, when you killed him, huh? Yeah.
Are you going to pay or are you going to leave?
Oh, I'm trying to pay, but they're refusing
pay
to.
and leave?
I don't have to pay 10. I can pay 5. Okay. $10 a month.
Right.
Okay. And so if I want to pay $5, I'm going to pay $5, and I'll come back in 2 weeks. I'll pay $5 more. There's my $10 a month.
Listen. They're saying pay your $10, and then you.
They can't force me to pay $10 at one time.
Fine. You obviously have all the money to pay your fine.
Okay, I'll just keep coming back here. You know what I mean? Pay $5 at a time.
Pay $10 at a time.
I'll pay $5 every 2 weeks. That's $10 a month. I'll pay my $10 a month. I have a right to pay however much I want to pay. They're rejecting my money. This is American money. I want to make it very clear that it does say that they accept cash right there, and that there's no amount right there
shaking?
Anywhere on there whatsoever. Because I have high anxiety.
Why you got anxiety?
So I always have anxiety. So,
man, this isn't that big of a deal.
oh yeah, when there's law enforcement officers, after I went into the Butler County Courthouse and your fucking chief of police put his hands on me, he physically assaulted me, and you think I'm okay with you police? Nope. So you want to know why I flipped you guys off? Because I don't really care about you or him. I don't care about that badge that you guys wear. I don't.
That's fine.
I do not care.
Right, but I'm telling you.
It is my right, and it's freedom of speech too, as well,
Right.
which is constitutionally protected as well.
You're right.
I know I'm
Absolutely.
right. I know I'm right.
Like I'm saying.
There's no disorderly conduct. They won't accept my money.
Well, you're calm down. Okay, that's good. I'm telling you, either pay your 10, pay in full, which would be great, and we can just forget about this whole thing, or leave and then come back a different time and pay your 10.
Or I could just pay $5 at a time and
What's
come
the
back
purpose?
in 2 weeks.
What's the purpose?
Because I need the receipts. Because I got to turn it into my friend to show that I'm paying.
Your friend?
You know what I mean? This is my friend's money right here. This ain't even my money. I had to borrow this money.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
In ones.
Oh, yeah. That's what he gave me.
Okay.
What do you expect me to do? You're lucky it's not in pennies. I would have went to the bank and got pennies, but there's a coin shortage.
Right.
And there's nothing that says we don't accept change up here, is there? Man, I could have rolled a whole dollar in here with that.
Amen.
I'm just saying, if you want to sit there and say it's because it's once, that's what he gave me.
That's fine.
So I choose to pay $5 at a time. And I have the right to pay $5 at a time as long as it's $10 a month.
Listen.
And I'm not breaking the law. I'm not doing nothing to break the law.
Pay your 10.
I can't. I will pay the 10, but I'm going to pay it in $5 increments. So I should just leave then? So I don't owe this courthouse no money?
All right. What's your name again?
It's Aaron.
Aaron? Okay. Here's what we're going to do. Pay your 5. Okay. Get your receipt. Come back in 2 weeks.
Okay. And pay another 5, and I'm going to continue to do that every 2 weeks.
Okay. But listen, come back in your 2 weeks. Pay your other 5. Okay. But we're not going to sit here right now today and you pay 5, get a receipt, 5, get a receipt. Okay. If you want to do the 5 every 2 weeks for however long, whatever that math comes out to be for however many weeks, that's fine.
Oh, it's going to be for the next 2 years. Every 2 weeks.
That's really inconvenient for you.
Oh no, it's really inconvenient for them.
It's not inconvenient.
They could just have it all settled today and never see my face again.
You're right.
But I guess you guys will see me every 2 weeks for the next 2 years. How does that make you feel?
You gotta drive all the way.
Coming in here, Butler.
Butler, you have to drive all the way to Slippery Rock for $5. You're gonna spend more in gas doing this.
Oh, it's okay. It's well worth it.
That's fine.
It's well worth it because you just said you were going to arrest me for disorderly conduct.
I'm gonna cite you for disorderly
falsely
conduct.
Charging me. Falsely charging me.
Calm down now. We're good.
Oh no, falsely going to charge you.
Calm down.
So I mean, you guys have your option. You could never see me again. Just do it like this, or see me for the next 2 years every 2 weeks.
That's fine.
I'll come in here, and every officer I see, they'll get this right here, right there. Oh yeah, tisk tisk tisk, right? Tisk tisk tisk. Freedom of speech too. That's covered under my First Amendment right.
All right.
And it is constitutionally protected.
Pay your 5.
The lady's sitting down there. She's not coming up.
She'll get up. You pay your 5.
I will.
In 2 weeks. All right.
I will.
All right, Aaron.
This is what they want. This is how we're gonna do this.
Sir, did they give you a receipt?
Oh yeah, I'm exercising my First Amendment right. The freedom of press now. I'm not saying nothing. Yeah, freedom of press. My First Amendment, constitutionally protected right.
If you have done your business.
Oh, I'm sorry, but
You have no other business here?
my First Amendment right is my business.
Do you have any other business today?
So are you telling me
I'm
that?
asking you, do you have any other business?
Are you
here?
forcing me to leave?
I'm asking you, do you have any other business here?
Yeah,
What's your business?
freedom of the press. First Amendment right.
Oh yeah, who do you work with?
I have a YouTube channel. You can check First Amendment right to go ahead and record because I'm allowed to do so.
Do you record yourself flipping everybody off?
Oh, here, I'll record it now.
Yeah.
That's my First Amendment right there too.
Pretty intelligent, isn't it?
Freedom of speech right there. Freedom of speech.
I bet you.
You think I was afraid?
I bet your mom's proud of you.
Oh, she's real proud of me.
Oh, yeah.
You think that I'm afraid not to show my people what goes on? I'm allowed to do that.
Who's your people?
Oh, my followers on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on my channel. Yeah. I'm allowed to do this if I choose to do so. Yeah. My First Amendment right gives me the right to be here. The freedom of press.
This is a business, though. I mean,
It's not a business, it's government. And I am a taxpayer, so I'm allowed to be here and record with whatever I want to record.
Actually, the rules of criminal procedure and court procedure, you're not supposed to be recording here.
Oh, wait. That right there says video and audio recording in the courtroom.
But you're here, you're doing business, okay?
This is a public area.
So
I'm allowed to record.
What is the problem here at the moment?
Nothing. I'm quiet. I'm recording. I'm allowed to. Cam back right there. Cam back.
Okay,
I'm allowed to record.
You paid your fine?
It doesn't matter. I'm allowed to record though.
Well, it's like a business. They're now asking you to leave because you're causing a disturbance.
I'm not causing a disturbance. Where am I causing? I'm not saying nothing. In fact, the whole recording, you can see I'm not saying nothing.
You're in here, you conducted your business, you're causing problems with the girls. They are now asking you to leave, so you do need to leave because now you'll be trespassing.
Oh, so you're under the threat of arrest for trespass. You want me to leave?
Yeah, so you're asked to leave.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is a constitutionally protected act that I'm doing. I'm allowed to be here to record under my First Amendment right. And now that you guys are under the threat of arrest, that you will be hearing from the ACLU.
Yeah, it's called defying trespass. When you're asked to leave an establishment, you do not leave. You're defying the orders. Or
And
leave. You're done doing
my
business.
my First Amendment right tells me I have the freedom of press, and I'm allowed to be in this building right here to record with whatever I want because it is a government facility where our taxpayers do pay this building.
Okay, but the problem is you are now done here. They've asked you to leave. So
It
you
doesn't.
need to leave.
Okay, well, my First Amendment right gives me the right to be here to record.
not anyone.
Yeah.
Yes,
Done.
I'm freedom of the
Taken
press.
care of.
It's
So here's
not
the question.
taken care
It's
of.
one line.
You guys are
Do you want more
over.
citations and fines, or is it just easier just to leave and call it a day?
Did you know that there was a lawsuit filed against the police department in a different state for impeding on someone's rights, their constitutionally protected
You're in a
right?
court facility
They
now, you're
won.
conducting business,
They won
you're done.
$41,000 in this lawsuit. So you guys are now trying to push me out of this door when I'm exercising my First Amendment right, the freedom to press. And you guys are trying to push me out of the door now, saying
What
under the
business
threat
are
of
you doing
arrest.
in here now? What business are you doing now?
Oh, I gotta make sure. I need to get some files on them. I need to ask them their treasury. I want to know where our money's going for
You don't
the
do
American
that here.
people
You do
here.
that down at the
Oh no,
county
I could
though.
request it here though. So I need a request form to find out where this money is going, because I need to know where our money for, how much they're getting paid. And I want that lady's name right there who gave me the cam back. I have the right to have
you don't
her
do those
name.
requests here. You do it down at the county though.
No, but I could request her name. So I'm here to request her name right there. And if you guys need to send it to me in the mail, that's okay. But I'm here to request her name. I want her name and I want her salary. I want to know how much she's
You have
getting
to fill out a
paid.
right to know request down at the county.
But I can have that here. I can request it
No, because the
here.
Butler County controls all these district magistrates. You will have to do that down at the government center.
Okay,
So,
well
right
then
there,
I
down
need
there.
I need her name then, because if I don't have her first and last name, I can't do that request unless I have her name.
The
So I
county-
need her
When
name.
you do the right to know request, the county can give you all that information.
Oh no, because there's several different women who work here. There's that woman, this woman. I saw another woman who's standing over there. So if you guys give me her name, I'll be out the door.
It's not my business to give their names. I don't work for the county. I don't work here.
Well, this is a government facility, and I want to request her pay, her salary.
You do that down at the Butler County Government Center. You get everybody's salaries down there.
Okay, well, what's her name?
Yes, you'd have to ask them. I don't give that out.
Okay, well,
I don't
let me
work for
ask them.
So, and they probably won't give it to you either.
I need your name. I'm gonna request that I get your salary and everything else. I need to know information on
All right,
how
she
much you
answered
get
your
paid
question,
and
now
what's
go.
your
She answered your question, now go.
You know what? Here's the deal. What's your first name again? Aaron. Hey, if they're not going to cooperate with you, file a complaint down to the county.
Oh, I will.
That's where I go. I go down to the government center, file a complaint you want, file the right to know. But the bottom line is you now have to leave because they've asked you multiple times. We've asked you.
But
You're not
again,
going to be a defiant trespasser. Do we have to go down that route over something like this?
oh, you guys want to try and just find something to arrest me on? I can see
No, it's
that.
called
What is your
defiant
name and
trespass.
badge number?
Chief Fedorkovich, 5901, Slip Rock Road.
What's your name and badge
Chief
number?
Heller, 5701.
What's your name and badge number?
Trooper Sharebone 14130.
Okay, thank you. I'll be
Okay.
requesting information on you guys as well.
Absolutely.
That's fine.
Since you guys want to force me out under the threat of arrest.
Because it's a law.
It's not a law.
The
It's
defiant
not.
trespass was a law.
My constitutionally protected
you're
right
asked to leave
gives
the
me no.
establishment, you just
My constitutionally protected right gives me the right to be in here to record
But
if
you're
I
done
choose
doing
to do
business and they
so.
ask you to leave, so that's all you got to do. It's that simple.
If I want to come back, I'm able to come back.
As long as you're conducting business, they want you to leave, you need to leave. It's that simple.
So you're forcing me out under the threat of arrest. Just to
Because
make
you're
it
done
clear.
doing business in there. You're
I'm
just
not done
causing
doing
risk.
business.
And I gave you the place to go to get the information you want.
Okay.
Butler
Well,
County Government Center downtown.
okay. Well, here you guys can have that.
You already gave me
You're
the
welcome.
at the intersection. They don't-
Yeah, I know. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You guys are all welcome. You guys are all welcome.
God bless you.
Oh, no, I don't want your God blessings. Take it back. Take it back.
Have a good day.
I don't need your God blessings.
Well, we give them anyways. Have a good day.
I don't need them. I don't need them.
I'll pray for you.
Yeah, don't pray for me. I don't need your prayers. I don't want your prayers. You pray to a God that doesn't exist.
I just prayed for
Yeah, I don't need them. I don't need your prayers. Trust me. Definitely don't need your prayers. Right there. Right there.
A simple traffic stop over an expired inspection sticker spirals into a heated standoff between personal rights and police authority. With a K-9 unit circling the car and the driver refusing to consent, the situation quickly escalates. What happens when I don't consent clashes with law enforcement's tactics? Let's dive in. Imagine walking into a gym, asking for a simple refund, and walking out with the police demanding your ID. Where's the line between policy and personal rights? Today's story dives deep into a tense encounter where a man stands his ground on the First Amendment, questioning authority and the boundaries of the law.
I don't have to provide an ID if I didn't commit a crime.
So,
They're banning you from the property.
What crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
Commit a crime,
But you just asked for my ID. I didn't commit.
Trespassing you. That's why you're.
I just said I'm leaving.
They're trespassing.
I just said I'm leaving.
Yeah, but they're banning you from coming back here. So they
Okay, so I'm leaving. No, I
So they
don't.
need to know your name.
I don't have an ID. I don't have an ID.
Okay, that's fine. What is your first name?
I don't have to give that if I didn't commit a crime. What crime did I commit? I'm recording for my safety.
Hence why we out here.
What's disorderly conduct?
That's the call. We came out here for disorderly conduct.
Right, because I was trying to get a refund for my
He
money.
explained to you weren't getting the money today because of the fact that nobody there can help you.
Right, so what crime was committed?
They want to ban you.
I'm
from the
saying what
property.
crime was committed though.
There's no crime being committed.
Right, so I don't have to
Being
provide for
banned-
ID. Can I speak to the supervisor?
For what?
I know the law. Can I speak to the supervisor? You're asking for an ID when no crime was committed. That's not the law. Policy isn't law. So
You know our policy?
I know their policy. And I said I got off the property, so why do you need my ID? I'm about to go over there. Sidewalk isn't property. That's public
They
property.
don't want you to come back.
Okay, so I'll leave.
So you have to have ID.
I don't have to give an ID. Can I speak to the supervisor?
She's on the road.
Okay, so I'm going over here. No crime was committed.
Stop walking away from me.
That's not a
Explain
crime.
something to you.
What do you?
All right. So
What crime? I'm asking you a question. What crime was committed?
It doesn't have to be a crime committed. If you
I don't feel safe. You're coming too close. I don't feel safe.
All right. So literally, you give us your name.
I don't have a name. I don't have a name. I don't have an ID. I don't have to give an ID. No crime was committed.
So that's why we're out. We're here to investigate.
I'm not on the property anymore. No crime was committed.
What's the issue with just giving us?
I'm
your
not
name?
giving you no ID.
We just give it to them.
I'm not giving you no ID. So I want to speak to the supervisor. I don't feel
He's
safe.
on his way here. I don't know where you're walking to.
This is
All right, we can
this
stand-
is not the LA Fitness property.
All right, we
So
can stand right here then. That's fine.
so what crime was committed?
I don't. It's just.
I will tell you my name if you give me the what crime was committed.
So we got. All right, I'll just explain to you why we're here in the first place. Okay. So we got a call for disorderly conduct.
How was that disorderly conduct if I was trying to get my refund?
Because,
I asked nice. I said, "Sir, can I get my refund?" I came to LA Fitness. I was charged twice.
okay, but so you would just take that up in civil court if you're trying to get your money.
I'm
you take
not.
it in civil
No,
court. Can you
no
just-
crime was committed.
I mean,
I don't feel safe. So I want to speak to the
why do you not
supervisor.
feel safe? You're fine.
You
Okay.
just threatened with a arrest. He just threatened with arrest.
If you fail to ID yourself, that's an arrest.
That's not an arrest.
If we can't ID you,
That's not. How was that an arrest? What crime was committed? So I'm recording for my safety. I know the law. No crime was committed. So I'm on public property. This is Chick-fil-A. That's LA Fitness. I get both of you guys' name and badge number, please.
Sure, I'm Sergeant Ringler, 1728.
Sergeant Rayler, 1728. Ringler, 1728. Just for my safety.
Yep, okay.
And what is your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Fennel, 2554 is my badge number.
I appreciate it.
What's your name?
I don't have to give that because no crime was committed. I know the law. I was trying to be polite to them. No crime was committed, so you can call me a good citizen. No crime was committed. I told him that I was trying to get a refund from the guy at the front desk.
Okay.
LA Fitness charged me twice.
Okay.
So they've been bugging me saying, "Oh, you haven't paid." I paid. They charged me twice.
Okay.
So when I went in today, I said, "Hey, I called earlier this morning," and he said, "Yeah, you can get your refund when you come in." So I came in. He had an attitude. He said, "No, you can't get no refund. There's no manager here." So I said, "Okay, I'm gonna leave." So he called the police. I said, "What you calling the police for? I'm just trying to get a refund." So that's what happened. So I don't think no crime was committed. I didn't make a threat. I'm on public property. I left the property because for some reason this officer right here said it's a crime to be disorderly. I wasn't being disorderly. I just said, "Sir, can I get my refund?" at the guy that worked in there. So
You kind of short circuited things a little bit when we got here.
yeah, I understand. I just got to record
We're
everything
asking for
too.
names and badges and stuff. Just want to let you know you're being recorded as well.
Right.
We wear body cams.
But a
and stuff
citizen
like that.
doesn't have to provide them. So you
I'm just letting you know you're being recorded.
okay?
as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. You guys have body cams. I see. Sometimes you cops don't. Some cops aren't good cops. They don't turn their body cam on. So I don't know. So
Not the case.
I just don't know what crime I committed. So what did he say? He said I made a threat. What did he say?
He said he wants you banned from the property. So
For what crime did I do?
they don't have to. You don't have to commit a crime for them to ban you from anywhere. They don't want you there. They don't want you there.
Okay, I told him I'm leaving. When you guys came, I left. I'm over here now.
Be put on a list that you're banned. So that way, if you come back as trespassing, you'll be arrested.
I'm not going back. So
Okay. Do you have your car here?
I don't.
How are you getting home today?
I don't know.
How did you get here today?
I don't know. I don't answer questions. Free to go? Yep, appreciate
Please
it.
don't go back in there.
Yeah.
You've been banned, so if you're back there tonight, we will be
Okay,
arrested.
but this is public property. If I was over there, that's all LA Fitness.
Yeah,
But this is in LA Fitness.
LA Fitness's property. We will charge you.
Yeah. So I can stay here all day. Because this is not a crime.
Whatever makes you happy.
Yeah. All right, you guys take care.
In moments like these, knowing your rights is essential, but so is understanding when standing your ground can escalate a situation. Stay calm, be informed, and always choose the path that ensures your safety first. Early morning, a public park, and a simple question: where do our rights end and law enforcement's authority begin? In this intense First Amendment audit, a man stands his ground against what he calls harassment by SFPD. Is he being unfairly targeted, or is the law on the officer's side? Let's dive into the confrontation and see where the truth lies.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you, sir?
I do, but I want you to tell me exactly why you're here harassing me this early in the morning before sit lies. Before
Star 2266.
enlighten me is why you're here before sit lies.
Illegal
Active.
lodging. It's a continuous
You do
offense,
not- you-
and you're a public nuisance.
Are you aware of public nuisance? All right, then I'm allowed to ask you.
My supervisor.
I'm allowed to ask
I'm gonna
you
call my
who is
supervisor,
calling
and
me.
You can talk to them. Thank you.
And before you leave, red or green, your camera, red or green.
Sleeping in the park.
Was I sleeping when you arrived? I haven't slept since
Yeah.
you shook me violently yesterday morning.
You were sleeping when I got here.
Really? Enlighten me who's in the sleeping bag then, since I'm standing right here fully dressed, ready to go to work and my gym routine. Enlighten me who's sleeping. Show me who's sleeping there. Right now.
Sleeping when I got here.
Really? Can you prove that? Because I was standing around using a Wi-Fi, actually up and waiting for you.
Alex, this is a ticket for sleeping in the park.
And I'm asking you exactly where's I sleeping before you got here.
Right next to your cats.
Really? Can you prove that? Can you go show me exactly me sleeping right there?
She's standing when you got here? He was standing up.
Oh, I'm glad that you can verify. So, was I sleeping in the park?
Okay. I'm not going to ticket you today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but if you're sleeping here tomorrow, and you're sleeping here on Monday, Tuesday, Monday, or any day next week,
Uh-huh.
okay, you'll be ticketed.
Understood.
Okay.
I'll be here waiting for you guys then.
Okay.
Because honestly, this constitutes harassment. I've already spoken to your superiors today, and they've already given me paperwork to file again. So, exactly why are you here?
Because it's a public park.
And is any public persons here at this current hour, way before sit lie? Oh, it does matter. Sit lie is in effect since 2011.
Okay, this is a public park.
Yeah,
You're not permitted
and
to be in the
park and
between 8
recreation
a.m. and
is the
8
one that holds the law and jurisdiction here. Trust me, I've already talked to your supervisor, Captain Griffin. Oh, don't tell me I haven't, because I've been at your precinct all day today. So I don't want to hear this. Oh, you're going to enforce a federal law because you're not a federal emissary. This is coming from your boss. These are your superior's words, not mine.
Alex, where do you sleep at night?
I sleep wherever I'm able to lay my head
How
peacefully.
many times have I saw you here sleeping?
How many times have I seen you here repeatedly harassing me for the same thing?
How many times? Harassing you.
You're here before sit lie. This constitutes harassment.
This is a public park.
Yes, and
The
this
sign
is
I showed you yesterday.
yes, that's federal jurisdiction. So in other words,
You're not allowed to.
you're supposed to call the
sleep.
SFFO in order for jurisdiction for this one.
No.
Well, talk to your captain because I just did,
Wrong.
and he's the one that gave me this paper to write you up again if I saw you again today.
Congratulations.
Good. I'm glad we're in understanding. So now, exactly why are you here?
We're here to advise people that you are not allowed to illegally lodge here.
Okay.
And to sleep overnight, which we all
I
know,
haven't slept since
which
she violently shook me
which
yesterday
we all
morning.
know that you do sleep.
Oh, really? So then you're telling me that you didn't put your hands on me, that I don't have a bruise on my shoulder, and that I didn't report to your captain yesterday? Is that what you're going to tell me now? Okay, good. I'm glad I have video evidence corroborating this.
So then you won't be here tomorrow. Is that correct?
I will be, and I'll be wide awake waiting for you
Will
too.
be. Okay.
I'll be wide awake waiting for you too.
Okay, and then if we come here tomorrow,
And if
our
I'm-
other officers do, we'll advise them that
Mhm.
this is where you indeed sleep at every single night.
So you're profiling based on my social status, basically.
No profiling. This is where we are every morning.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Why do you think I'm here with paperwork ready to report you guys again?
So what happens when you're sleeping and we wake you up?
Well, why are you guys here before sit lie? Enlighten me that.
Because we're supposed to be with our DPW.
You. I've talked to the supervisor.
Okay,
They said that they don't call you.
Do whatever you need to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
I intend to.
We know what's going on here.
I intend
you
to.
refused several services that we've offered you.
I've already
months.
occupied multiple city
if
services.
You would like to go back over there
I've already
and
multiplied.
illegally lodge in a public area, which
I'm
you
standing
do
in a
all
public
the
park.
time.
I'm well within my rights.
Continue on with it.
I'm standing in a public park. I'm
Continue
well
on.
within my
Do
rights.
you have all the information you need from us?
No. I'm actually
What
want you.
would you like?
I would like your lieutenant, both your lieutenants' names.
I don't have my lieutenant's information right now. He's
Your
not even
active
working.
sergeant, then.
We don't have an active sergeant.
Really? Because
Yeah.
I just spoke to him along with your Captain Griffin,
Okay,
so
well,
I don't want to hear this,
We're not
this
all under the
psychological
same.
jargon from
We're
you.
not all under the same sergeants. and
I don't.
lieutenants.
I will. You're all at 17th Valencia. That much is for certain because I already taken a picture of this exact squad car with this exact same plate. So I don't want to hear
So
this
then
psychological jargon from
continue
you or
on
your
with
department.
Your day and your complaints, sir.
Good.
Right?
Thank you.
Okay. You enjoy. We'll see you next time. It is posted.
Oh, I'll be waiting.
We
Trust
all
me.
know that's what you do.
Oh, trust me. That constitutes a threat, and I already got it on video.
This encounter shines a harsh light on the fine line between enforcing public ordinances and respecting individual rights. It also raises deeper questions about how society handles homelessness and public space. Was this simply law enforcement doing its job, or was it something more? One thing's clear, knowing your rights and documenting interactions can make all the difference. This isn't just about a camera. It's about the freedom to hold public officials accountable. Whether it's a tail light stop or filming in public buildings, your First Amendment rights are non-negotiable. Let's continue to exercise them, peacefully but firmly, until everyone understands that freedom doesn't need permission.